Are you nervous or scared? Let's say this in Hmong. Nervous, chai. Scared, chai. Go, bo, chai. I am nervous. Gu, chai. I am not scared. Gu, ji, chai. Not ji. Can you help babysit? Go, bo, ga, ba, zho, mei, a. Babysit, zho, mei, a. Mei, a, baby. You can substitute mei, a with mei, nua, which is children. You make dinner. You cook dinner. Go, or, mo. Why me all the time? Many ways to say this, but let's say some in Hmong. Vì lý gia do cú tà lý sư. Or vì lý gia do cú chua rào. It is slippery outside. Let's say this in Hmong. Nữ blua đào rong. If you just say slippery outside, blua đào rong. Or you can say outside is slippery, đào rong blua. Be careful, be good, or behave well, do good. Don't be mean. Let's say all these in Hmong. Just 2 words. Ua, zhong. The rock is hard. Lu, bo, zhe, dao. Hard, dao in this context. His life is hard. Nữ lu ninh nhua or nữ lu ninh nhua. This is messy. Things are everywhere. Nó shu shu, messy, shu. But you know, messy, we imply it's very messy, so shu shu. Khổng nhó chua khó. Come, help me. Let's say this in Hmong. Lo ba gu. Come, lo, help, ba, me, gu.